Choosing names for products is hard work. Recently, a friend that was thinking about starting a project reached out to me with questions about how he should go about naming this and that. This sparked the idea to share some insights on how we approach naming over at CISE. Of course, naming products is challenging, especially because names create brand recognition. When you pick a name for something, it's like leaving a mark in people's memories in order to form a lasting bond between your product and the people who will come to love it. For me, the names I choose are products that are never out of thin air. They're either from people I've created a history with or people I've come to respect. For instance, the Charlotte card holder is named after our social media manager, Charlotte, whose excellent taste and functionality influenced its design. The naming approach ties most of our products to personal stories and is something that I'll discuss further in upcoming videos. I do realize, though, that there are key ingredients that I subconsciously consider when picking a name. Uniqueness. I know, this one is tricky because it's very hard to be completely unique today, so it's okay to give yourself some time and some room to play around, but your product name should at least be unique to your industry. Make it memorable. The more words in a name, the harder it is to grab attention, so short is often sweeter. A long name can be a challenge for people to remember or even pronounce. Finally, any name you choose should have meaning. Every name should whisper a story or spark an emotion. If a name you choose means nothing to you, how could it mean something for the people you are creating for? Of course, these points aren't the only ways to achieve this goal, so I'd like to hear stories on how you guys came upon the names that you create some of your products in the comments below. Super excited. Tune in. Peace.